right, as earnings season picks up steam, companies now have a new headache, and they can thank Hugo Chavez of Venezuela for this one. Our own currency specialist, Sarah Eisen, has been taking a look. What's going on here?
Well, actually, Venezuela's currency devaluation could end up costing U.S. companies big. Last week, President Hugo Chavez weakened the local currency, the Bolivar, by half. That's bad news for American consumer giants like Colgate, P&G, and Avon. So what's the currency link, Scarlett? Well, these companies sell toothpaste and lipstick and toilet paper to Venezuelan shoppers. Now, the Bolivar is worth half of what it was, and that means Venezuelan earnings are worth half of what they were when brought back home into U.S. dollars. Now, that is bad news for companies that have been expanding and ramping up sales in Latin America, like Avon. Avon gets 11% of total profit from Venezuela. That's why BMO downgraded Avon, saying that its profit estimate for 2010 is going to be 14% weaker thanks to this currency devaluation. Another biggie.
We saw the stock plunge yesterday.
We saw the stock has been going down pretty much all month on this anticipation of the devaluation. P&G is another one. BMO downgrading P&G, estimating about 4% of total profit comes from Venezuela. Another biggie, Colgate. Colgate saying it's going to shave about 4 to 6 cents off of earnings each quarter after the fourth quarter, thanks to this devaluation. And as you said, the investors have been punishing these stocks pretty much all month.
So these big consumer multinationals getting hit, anyone else that could be affected?
Yeah, plenty of U.S. companies have exposure to Venezuela. We know Ford Motors saying that it is assessing the situation. Another interesting one, Owens, Illinois, biggest glass container maker, had $170 million in cash in Venezuela, according to some of the filings. It's beginning to move some of this cash out of Venezuela, but investors have also been punishing this one. And finally, Brinks Security, the maker of those armored cars, apparently 25% of total profit comes from Venezuela. So it'll be interesting to see how these companies respond and if they put out any word on how they're going to deal with this situation. It could be a tough, big hit.
Another big chunk probably comes from Brazil. All right. Thank you so much, Sarah Eisen, on the Venezuelan currency devaluation.